the pretty sky. Here comes the sun. There goes my crazy kid. And the wheel of death. My eye! My eye! Oh! Oh. Going dog shopping. Let's see how long this lasts. Oh, snap. Poor Roxy. Oh! So you can see Roxy is doing a lot better. We're on the mend. Hopefully she'll stay away from things that aren't easily digestible. Okay, Kaylee, go over there and wave goodbye.
Wait! I didn't pick up Roxy.
I don't want to show this half of the yard. Go get her, Roxy. Get her. Get her. Look, there's my arm. Woo-hoo. Oh, my hand. Oh, look, here's the other one. Woo-hoo. See, peace out, homie.
I come again and have the Roxy play.
Alright, we are signing out. One last look at my beautiful blue sky.
And we are going to the car.
Oh, maybe we'll stay for part 2. This won't last because her car is not working.
We are driving. We are driving.
Kaylee, sing "Oh My Darling." Sing "Oh My Darling."
Oh my darling. Oh my darling.
Who's like a Wolverine? Roxy's gonna kick your ass. Wait, let her out. I'm shaking the camera laughing so hard. Get her, Roxy. Get her. Get her. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Ending transmission.
That's why we go today.
Say bye. Dog's butt. Say bye. Stop it. We'll end on that note.